Take the wheel off. Use a 17mm socket to take the lug bolts out. Once you get to the last one, you can hold the wheel on. Take that bolt off and remove the wheel. I'm going to take this clip off right here. You can use a screwdriver or even a pair of pliers. Just try to slide that out. And just slide that out. You can grab the hose and just slide it out of the bracket. Just so you can get the hose. So there's a little bit of slack on the hose, so you don't have any tension on it. Now we're going to remove the nut from the sway bar link. We're going to use a 16mm socket, 18mm wrench to prevent the stud from spinning. Take that off and pull that out. Right under here, we're going to just put a pull jack. Just take the tension off the shock. And then we'll take that shock bolt out. That's good. Now I'll use a 18mm socket. Take this bolt out. Now I'm going to lower the screw jack down. Just make sure the brake hose is not binding up. And just grab a pry bar, pry underneath the spring. You can just pry it out. Just be careful. There we go. And slide the spring out. You can grab that base. With the old spring, you want to take these pads off. This one goes for the upper and the other one for the lower. With the new spring, put this one on the top that has the hole in it. And the other one goes on the bottom. Very carefully, if you can take a scissor jack or if you had a bottle jack, you can find a location where you can put this and pry this down. This makes it a lot easier. But just be careful, you don't want this flying out. This would also help with removing it as well. It's good right about there. Just slide it in position. A little more. I'm just going to pry it, try to pry it into location. Almost there. There it is. It's all the way in. Now I can remove the jack again. It's good. Now we can use a screw jack or a pull jack and raise up the knuckle and just get the link lined up. Take your nut Get that started. And you can tighten that up. And you can torque that nut to 47 foot-pounds. I'll raise up on the suspension so we can get it lined up with the shock. Pull the shock down a little bit. And get the bolt lined up and get that started. Now I'm going to torque that to 74 foot-pounds. Remove the screw jack. Now slide the brake line, brake hose back in position, and then take the clip. I'm going to slide that in. Just tap it into place if you need to. That's good. Put the wheel on, line that up. Get the lug stud started. Now I'm going to torque the lug nuts to 110 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. And just go around again, double check.